So very nice today on the 9th of November 2023. Here's Kivalterinpolku, Kivalterinpolku 3, staircase A, and the staircases B and C are filmed. You can watch them as well. I'll try this. It should have been the copper one, but still the same sound. But
yeah,
the copper is best. The best is 4 persons, so 305 grams. Built in 1990, probably the beginning of 1990, December 6. 6 is 258. I love the smell in here, because it has 4 floors.
yeah,
And it has a different indicator here.
yeah.
So actually all these 3 are not completely identical.
Yeah.
Because this one has 4 floors and a different indicator.
Yeah.
Here in Oulunkylä, Oulunkylä, Helsinki Sports, Uusi Finland, will be expecting the next year, 2024.
Inspektiivbijliftinstituuten, men inte ett bajspångissi.
I believe that they put this different indicator here due to the basement, okay.
Yeah, of course.
I believe it was the
Yeah.
I love the sounds of this.
So,